today's video, we're gonna talk about leads and statistics inside of our platform. Stay tuned. To see the exact data, go to the dashboard. Here you can see the stats like visits on your landing page, leads, and the overall conversion rate. On the right-hand side, you can change the date range to check data from the past. To preview your leads, go to the Leads tab. Once you click on a specific lead, you can see more details. You can export the list of your leads to an Excel sheet or CSV file here. If you'd like to track more information about your visitors, add Google Analytics or Facebook Pixel as a JavaScript code. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.